Next up on our crystal deep dive series is Golden Healer Quartz. It's a blend of hematite and quartz, and together they create an energy that brings you back to yourself. This stone is deeply grounding, emotionally supportive, and wonderfully energizing all at once. If you've been feeling scattered, overwhelmed, or unsure of what you're holding inside, Golden Healer Quartz helps you reconnect with your inner world. Its energy encourages gentle self-reflection, allowing you to understand emotional blocks rather than pushing them down. Golden Healer Quartz works with every chakra, but it especially connects the Sacral and Solar Plexus. It clears stagnant energy, makes room for creativity to flow, and strengthens your confidence. Connected to both fire and earth, this crystal inspires you to pursue your dreams while grounding your energy so you stay balanced. If you're craving emotional stability, motivation, or a deeper sense of inner calm, Golden Healer Quartz may be the light you've been looking for. Let's get into the geology of Golden Healer Quartz. Golden Healer Quartz is a yellow variety of hematoid quartz, and its color can range from soft pale yellows to deep, vibrant gold. What makes this stone so unique is that it almost never forms in a uniform shade. Each piece displays its own natural pattern of translucent quartz mixed with rich, opaque golden tones. Golden Healer Quartz is made of clear quartz infused with tiny amounts of iron oxide. As the quartz crystal grows, layers of iron settle inside it, giving the stone its signature golden coloring. Because those iron layers form within the crystal itself, the color is embedded throughout the entire structure. Some pieces are naturally lighter, while others are deeper in color, and that variation plays a big role in determining value. Darker, more saturated pieces, especially large polished points or sizable crystals, tend to be the most sought after. Golden Healer Quartz measures a 7 on the Mohs scale thanks to its quartz base. That makes it durable enough for everyday use and wear. This stone was originally discovered in Arkansas, but it's found all over the world, with Madagascar and Brazil being major sources. Whether in clusters, points, or small tumbled pieces, Golden Healer Quartz stands out for its warm color and its powerful energy. If you've been feeling emotionally out of balance or mentally pulled in too many directions, Golden Healer Quartz is the crystal to bring into your daily practice. Its energy helps center your thoughts, calm emotional overwhelm, and reconnect you with the sense of grounded presence. One of the best ways to use it is during meditation. Hold the stone in your hand, take slow, grounding breaths, and let its warm, uplifting energy help you settle into your body. Wearing Golden Healer Quartz jewelry is another easy way to stay connected to its energy throughout the day. Whether you wear it as a bracelet or a pendant, it's equally supportive. On your receiving hand, it helps draw in grounding energy. On your giving hand, Golden Healer Quartz helps you release negativity and gently share its supportive energy with others. Anytime you need a calming and uplifting environment, Golden Healer Quartz should be your go-to. Just remember to cleanse it regularly using water, smoke, sound, or moonlight. Avoid sunlight as it can fade the bright golden color. Let us know which crystal you'd like us to do a deep dive on next.